You alright guys, how are we all doing? It's Andy here from Peninsula Painting Projects and welcome back to the channel. Now before we start this unboxing video, I'd like to let you know that this channel is sponsored by primalwargames.com. It's a bricks and mortar store with its website, which will be up above and down below as well. And also, why don't you come along and join my Facebook group? It's Peninsula Hobby and Chill. It's where we share all our works and progresses, ask each other for advice on painting and army building and stuff like that, so come along and join that. So in this video we're going to review issue 18 of the Warhammer Conquest magazine. I'll just move my head like that, that's it. It's an okay issue this time. We've got 2 pots of paint, which we will look at that further, and as usual it's $7.99 a week. Now I've not received my big box order yet from Hatchet, which is a little bit of a pain. I know people don't like me moaning about it. I suppose it's my fault because I'm staying subscribed to them, but it's one of those things. I'm a little bit annoyed because I have actually seen people now who are like way far in advance now with their orders. I think like some people like 6 weeks in advance now, which is a little bit frustrating for myself. But anyway, it's my own problem. I need to cancel it if I want to continue moaning, right? So let's flip the camera around and check it out. Nice one guys, try. So guys, here's the magazine. Let's get rid of this cellophane because it's really annoying. It's really noisy and it's getting on my nerves. Now, I've not had a chance to read this because obviously it was in the cellophane, but here's the magazine itself. Let's just adjust the angle of this video. That's a little bit better. Bit of shaky cam there. So, in this magazine, we'll have a little look at it, and it's obviously, we know it's $7.99 per week. I'm actually loving this artwork on the front here. A bit of purple, bit of blue. Ultramarines Primaris, Intercessor versus a Death Guard Plague Marine, and you know, I've got some little demons at the bottom here, so that's pretty cool. It's issue 18, so we're going to learn about the Silver Templars. I was wondering when they were going to incorporate that into this magazine. The new paints, add new paints to your models, and the new playmat included, which will be quite interesting to have a little look at. So we're not going to look on the back yet, because we don't want to spoil what's in future issues. So pull that to one side for a sec. Let's have a look at this. Oh, that's quite decent. It's like cardboard. It's like I don't know. It's a high quality paperish. Oh god, this is going to be massive. Look at this. Whoa, this is pretty damn cool. I'm gonna have to try and fold this up so you can see it, guys. We've been miniatured off the table, so that's one side of it. So you've got the terrain already built in, or you know, coloured in there. That's pretty cool, like a 3D effect. And on this side, we've got it without. Let me just flip this over. Sorry, give me 2 seconds. And that's without. So this is quite cool. This actually, I might even try and have a little game on this, you know. I think it's worth it to have a little game with it. So I'll have to fold that back up and pop it away. So yeah, it's like a really high quality, I don't even know how to describe it. It's not paper, it's not card, it's like I don't know. You know what I mean, guys. I can't think on the spot at the moment. So magazine, that's that. We got 2 paints here. Now we got some Rakarth Flesh base paint, and we got the Mephiston Red base paint as well. For some reason, I don't know why, but that seems like it's a different design to me, but I might be incorrect there, to be honest. But anyway, these are £2.55 a pot, so that's what, I don't know. So what is it, £5.10, something like that? So we're paying $7.99, and this is £5.10. So unfortunately, in this issue, we're at a bit of a loss. The mat, you could say that's worth probably £2-ish, couldn't you? So, you know, it's either break even or we're at a little bit of a loss. But I'll be honest, guys, for me personally, that's not really a big issue. You know, I knew what I was getting into when I signed up for this. I knew that some issues would be worth worth a lot more than the others. For example, the librarian one that we got a couple of weeks ago, and that was worth quite a lot of money, and I'm sure we got some more of a Primaris special characters coming in the future. So for me, it's not a massive issue. For other people, I know it will be. So that's that, and we'll move on from that really. But anyway, I've got my fist on red. I've got 2 pots of that, so I won't be using this for a long time. Rack hard flesh. I believe this is the old bleach bone, if I'm correct, which I used to love that paint. I might actually be incorrect on that though, but it's a nice beigey colour anyway, beigey creamy colour, and I'm looking forward to using this because I haven't actually got this at the moment, and I was going to buy it a couple of months ago, and then I found out the Conquest magazine was coming out, and I thought, you know what, I'll wait and see what paints they're going to provide for us in the magazine. So let's have a little look at the magazine itself. We've got Ian as usual, the almighty Ian, and then we've got some information here about the Silver Templars, which I personally think is very good, because I was very curious to find out who they were. I was a little bit disappointed that we weren't told who they were in the previous issues, but we got a little glimpse of it, didn't we, guys? So their homeworld is the Novaris. The Primarchs are Rebutia Gilliman, so obviously they're a predecessor of Ultramarines. Codex adherence is 100%. And the motto is focus and fury. So I think this is a chapter that Games Workshop has only created for this magazine, which, you know, give them the props for that, guys, that they're expanding the universe and creating new chapters, which I think is pretty cool. And anyone who wanted to collect Ultramarines but didn't want to do the blue, it's a good thing in my opinion anyway. So let's flip it over. So here's some information here. Look at this lovely painted Hellblaster versus a Plague Marine there. And I personally do like the helmetless heads. I know some people don't like them because it's not accurate in war. You'd obviously have your helmet on during war times, but me personally, it's my toy soldiers and it's a make-believe game, so I like to have them helmetless as much as possible. So here's some information about the Silver Templars. The company colours and the squadron numbers, battlefield roles. So I am looking forward to reading through all this. Here's the chapter symbol, which is quite interesting as well. Yeah, I'll be honest, I'm quite interested to read over that. Here's some more information here about them. Lieutenants and sergeants and battle brothers. Can you see that? Purple knee pad, green knee pad, black knee pad, red helm, white. A bit more information here. The ranks. That's pretty cool. Oh, this is good. So for beginners, this is excellent. Gives you a bit of information here about the bolt weapons from obviously the Astra Militarum. The Space Marine chapters. That's very interesting. Sorry guys, I'm just having a little quick look at that. The artwork's pretty beautiful on that, isn't it? So it's always interesting to find out about, you know, the weaponry that you're using, and it's got all the nice artwork there and a bit of information about each one. Your plasma combi bolter weapon there, your assault bolter, bolt pistol, heavy bolter, and then we've got some information here about the Hellblasters. So I wonder whether we're going to get any Hellblasters in the next issue, or at least the next 3 or 4 issues. That's interesting. Beautiful artwork once again. And then we got some relics of Lysias. Lysias, yeah. Once again, lovely artwork. And here's a Death Watch there. Death Watch Hellblaster. I wouldn't mind collecting Death Watch, guys. So can you please tell me to stop? Andy, just please stop collecting anymore. You've already got enough. That's what my partner says all the time to me. And then we've got some finer detail stuff here. Okay, so it's telling us to use the Rackar Flesh, my fist on red, and the O Mechanicus Standard Grey. Okay, I'm interested to know what they're going to do now. So what are we doing next? Ooh, painting some red. That's good, isn't it? So as you can see, if you're collecting this now, things are coming along nicely here. So obviously you've painted the skin and now you're starting to paint red. Now, I wouldn't have thought to do the grenades red. That's quite interesting. I normally do mine silver. Those ones there, I don't know what the different types of grenades are. Can we see that? I normally do them ones. The top one's silver and the bottom one's green. That's what I've always done since I've been collecting. So we're doing the red there, and then what we add into the Death Guard, a bit of red on the Death Guard as well, on the eyes and stuff. Oh, we're out of focus, sorry about that guys. Need to turn AF off, there we go. Autofocus is off. And then what else? So our Rakhar flesh on the purity seals. Oh yeah, it's Colossus there. Rakhar flesh on the skull mask here. It's interesting. Okay, I'm liking this now. These are starting to come together nicely. Yeah. So in fact, really guys, this issue is very good. It's actually encouraging us to start to paint them a little bit different now. Oh God, look, yeah, look at that. Look at a little battle scene there already. It's starting to look like a proper army now, isn't it? Properly painted miniatures. So anyway, the next mission is Seize. So I'm presuming they're going to seize a certain thing on the battlefield. Now, if you notice in the last issue, they're starting to encourage the players to measure from the corner edges now of the board, which obviously when you're playing the game in the main game, you do, depending on what mission, 6 to 12 inches or even further. It's quite interesting. Paint Blighthauler special rules there, which I love those little guys. You know, this. Your new playing mat from issue 22, the Battle Goes Planet side. Corvin 2, new battle mats, new terrain, new missions. Ah, so we've got a little sneak peek here of what terrain we're going to get in the future. They give us a little sneak peek there. So we're going to get some sort of piping and walls there. You know what, guys? I'm actually really tempted to play on this mat. I am, you know. Especially with opening the shop, and I've been getting in people who just got into the hobby. I think that this is ideal, these types of mats. And I think I might try and set that up and have miniature missions with them and stuff. Yeah, that's actually quite interesting. So nice one there, Conquest, for giving me that idea. And then what do we get in the future issues? So we're getting Lord Feltius and his Tainted Cohort. Now, I've got this set already, and it's not a problem though. That's for my Dark Imperium box set army, which I've painted Death Guard green, and now for my Warhammer Conquest Death Guard army, as you know, I've painted them like the bony colour. So I'm not too worried about that. I can't wait to add this to my army. I love all the models, but I'll be honest, I like him the best. I think he looks the best. Let's have a little close up there. I think he looks the best out of all of them, to be honest. And on these you get little naglings as well, and little things to put in your base. So I'm really digging him. I love him the best. So that's issue 19. And issue 20 we're getting another armour container, which I need plenty of these. So once again, that doesn't bother me that we're getting repeats. And it doesn't bother me that I've already bought 3 from the very first issue. We got this, and then we got another issue. In fact, the last issue was one of these as well, wasn't it? But hey, it's all good. It's all good, baby. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, and I'll see you later. Ta.